G'day, Johnny G, Naked Racer Motor Co. Welcome back. We've got a very interesting bike here today, a beautiful Harley-Davidson Custom. And it's made with a VL Harley-Davidson frame from 1937. And it's had a 1943 UL engine fitted to it, which started life as a 1200cc engine, and it's been upgraded to an 80 cubic inch engine. It's got a pre-67 4-speed transmission, shotgun pipes, a Fairbanks Morse magneto, which is a trick addition. And it's just a beautifully put together bike. It was built by HD Development in Melbourne, and they know a thing or two about Harley-Davidson's. Colt's built hundreds of bikes over the last 35 years. And this is just another one of those. So the guy came to him and said, these are the parts I've got. I want to make a custom bike. He bought them overseas, imported them, and Colt and his team put this bike together, and they've done a very, very nice job. It's got an I-beam front fork, a liquid carb, just what it should have, and it's a real hoot to ride. You know, it's got the Jockey shift on it. It's running a Primo 1.5 inch belt drive primary, so no oil, much easier to look after. It's running the original primary cover, which has been modified, and it's just a beautiful little rocket to blast around on. Obviously, you're not going to ride it in the state, but great for around town. A lot of street creds, and I'd say probably win a couple of bike shows as well. So I reckon we're going to fire it up and get out and have a ride on it and see what it goes like. See you on the road. All right, let's take this old girl for a ride, eh? Okay, well, that was a bit of fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, follow, and share. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next videos. Adios.